This is my 2002 Toyota Tacoma. Like most Tacoma owners, you realize after a couple of years, especially the older ones, the door handle starts falling apart. I've replaced it twice before, and I'm going to replace it a third time. Hopefully this is the last time I have to replace it, because I'm now upgrading to the full metal handle, not the cheap $15 one I've done twice before. So let's get to it. There's the new handle. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is make sure the window's up, door's unlocked. Go ahead and open it up. Okay, so we're going to take off this little plastic cover. Just get a little sharp thing. You can use a flat blade or a little pry piece like I've got. It just pops off. There we go. We're going to then remove the one Phillips head screwdriver, Phillips head screw sitting right in here. Try not to lose it. Now this whole thing is supposed to just come right out. There we go. And you can unclip the little plastic part. Gotta be careful because they get to be old and brittle. Come on, unclip. There we go. It's unclipped. And there we go. That's pulled out. Then we take our Phillips head. And undo those. Okay, that one's definitely loose. I'm going to see if I can reach in there with my needle nose pliers and pull it out. That way it doesn't drop in the grass. Yep, there we go. All right, now that I've got this taken apart, so here's your three connections there. Now you can see this has come apart before. I'm going to do it now for the third time, hopefully the last time. Just peel that back. This is a plastic membrane that helps prevent moisture from coming in on the back side of your door card. At this point, we're going to disconnect. There's two rods that connect to the door handle. It's probably easier to show on this. One connects right here, and that's the actuator for the door itself. There's another one that's connected to our door lock that sits right here. And so you want to disconnect that, and we'll pull all that out at one time. So right in here is one clip. And I might even be able to get it. It wants to, but it's not going to do it with one hand. And there's another one. Oh, I'm buried in there deep, aren't I? Right up in here. So that one's going to have to come disconnected as well. And lucky, they built a little hole right here. I guess I lost the little plug that I had put in there. Originally was there. Oh, that bolt is really loose. That might have been what I was feeling loose to begin with. And that one was loose. Wow. I don't like that. There we go. Just don't want to drop that bolt down into the... Okay. Well, I'm making a note to myself that when I put the new ones back in, I'm going to put some blue Loctite on them so that doesn't happen again. All right, well, the handle's already coming out on its own, but you just got to kind of finesse it a little. And it comes right out. So there's the old one. I'm going to go find some blue Loctite. Ever since the pandemic, we now have 1,000 wipes around the house. And I didn't realize how good they were until we had a pandemic. Now I use them for everything. That one has a tiny little piece of plastic there that kind of holds it in place from turning, which is actually kind of nice. So we should be good to go. The trick here is to get this all in place. And get that plastic lined up. Oh, man, that feels so much nicer. I haven't even bolted it in yet. Uh-oh. It's in a blue bottle, but it's red. Oh well, they're going to be on really, really good. And that's how it's done. Okay. Oh, there we go. It's in. Now that I've got that, we're just going to reverse order. Put this all back together again. Lick and stick. There we go. Oh, we got to get our wires connected or else we're going to have some problems. I just like starting to get this front corner in first. Why is this not? It's not in. There we go. It just pops into place. And we should be all done. Where are my keys? Well, I got the electrics working. All worked good.